Hello, this is Dave Bisbee with Mountain Maple, and we're about to do a quick walkthrough of the Smart Sap Sucker unit. This is the main part of the unit right here. We have a diaphragm pump. This one is a SureFlow model 4008, 12 volts. Other pumps can be used. The diaphragm pump is important because the diaphragm pump allows us to pull a vacuum on the sap line, and it can also run dry in the event of low sap flow. Entering the pump, the sap comes through a strainer to keep ice and debris from damaging the pump. We have a vacuum gauge on the inlet side. We have stainless steel piping for the, this is the deluxe unit. For this standard units, the piping is PVC. We have a electric ball valve here. This ball valve, what this does is when the pump is on, this ball valve is closed and the sap will come down our sap line. I just have a 3/16 for this demo purpose, but it could be any size. And the sap will run along this tubing into the pump. When the pump is turned off, this valve opens, and this allows the lines to drain, and any sap that might be coming down the sap line under gravity can flow through our bypass line into the collection barrel. This is the controller unit. The outside case has a hinged cover. This is the deluxe model. We have a clear polycarbonate cover. For the standard units, this we use an ABS plastic case, about the same size. So, taking a closer look at the controller, we have an LCD display. The top line is showing us temperature, battery voltage, the battery status of OK. The second line is giving status of the unit. I'm just going to turn it on right now, and we'll talk about that in a second. We have a row of LEDs. We have power. We have a standby or pumping status, and we have valve position. Right now, I just turned it on. We have a power switch for the pump. We have a fuse for the pump. We have manual override switches for on and off, and I just pressed the on switch. So this allows us to turn the pump on regardless of temperature, and the off allows us to turn it off, and it will reset to automatic operation. The recall will allow us to display different the last previous pump cycles. It'll tell us the runtime, the temperature, and the battery voltage, just for informational. This is a fault indicator that'll light up red if there's any fault condition. And we have just 4 connections to this unit. We have the temperature sensor, which can be placed anywhere. We've got a valve connection here. We've got a pump connection, and we've got the electrical connection. Electrical connection, we have a battery. The battery is a Napa model 8270. It's a deep cycle marine battery, class 27. It's got some nice terminals here, which we attach a pigtail, a fused pigtail, and this just runs to a standard 12 volt battery connection. If you have a different battery type without those handy little connections, we have clamps. Right now the unit is running. You can hear it. We have a gauge here. We're running about 22, 23 inches. I just have some 3/16 tubing that I'm running on this test setup. I am going to be posting other videos later. We'll go through the pump operation in more detail, as well as the controller. So thank you for watching, and I hope you're able to watch some of the other videos also.